Look at this. A dark, dangerous walkway. You can barely see the steps. One wrong move and someone trips. Now watch this. Same yard, same path. After dark. This is not a $5,000 landscaping job. This is a simple pathway lighting hack that transforms your yard at night, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Before we start, a quick safety note. We are working with outdoor lighting and, in some steps, low-voltage electrical connections. Always follow local electrical codes, use outdoor-rated products, and if you are ever unsure, call a licensed electrician. Nothing in this video should be attempted with standard household voltage outdoors without proper protection. Now, I want you to watch this entire video from start to finish. Do not skip ahead. Every single step matters, and if you miss one, you will miss the small details that make this transformation look expensive. If you're new here, welcome. I break down home upgrades that look professional but cost almost nothing. So hit that subscribe button right now before we get started, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually enjoyed your yard after the sun went down? For most people, the answer is never. Because once it gets dark, the yard becomes a hazard zone. Uneven steps disappear. Garden edges vanish. Guests trip on things they never saw coming. And it's not just about safety. A dark yard at night feels abandoned. It feels unfinished. But the moment you add the right lighting along a pathway, everything changes. Suddenly, your home looks cared for. It looks intentional. It looks like somebody lives there who actually loves their space. Realtors will tell you that exterior lighting is one of the highest return upgrades you can make to a property. And pathway lighting specifically does double duty. It protects the people walking through your yard, and it makes your home look like something out of a magazine. That's the power of this simple hack. Here's the good news. You do not need a professional landscaping crew for this. You do not need thousands of dollars in equipment. Here's what you'll want to gather. First, solar-powered path lights. These are widely available, they're affordable, and they require zero wiring. Second, if you want a brighter, more dramatic look, low-voltage LED path lights with a transformer kit. This costs a bit more, but gives you consistent, powerful light every single night, rain or shine. Third, recycled glass jars or mason jars if you want a charming rustic lighting option using small LED tea lights or fairy lights. Fourth, a small trowel or garden spade for placing stakes into the ground. Fifth, outdoor extension cord and weatherproof connectors only if you're going the low-voltage route. Sixth, a tape measure, so your spacing looks clean and even, not random. And finally, garden gloves, because your hands will thank you. Notice something here. Nothing on this list is expensive. You can do a basic solar version of this project for the cost of a nice dinner out, and the transformation you get is honestly unbelievable for that price. Now let's talk about why this works so well, because understanding the science makes you better at doing it. Lighting design isn't just about brightness. It's about depth, contrast, and rhythm. When you place small lights low to the ground along a path, you create what designers call layered lighting. Instead of one giant floodlight blasting your whole yard, you get soft pools of light spaced evenly apart. Your eye naturally follows that rhythm. It creates a sense of direction and flow, almost like your yard is guiding you somewhere special. That's the same psychological trick used in high-end resorts and luxury properties. There's also a contrast effect. Darkness around the light makes the light itself look more dramatic. Your brain interprets small, glowing points surrounded by shadow as elegant and intentional. Not because it's bright, but because of the contrast between light and dark. Finally, there's the safety layer. Path lights outline the edges of walkways, so your feet and your guests' feet always know where solid ground is. This single change removes most nighttime tripping hazards in a yard. Simple, right? But incredibly effective once you actually apply it. All right, let's actually build this. I'm going to walk you through several easy pathway lighting ideas, from the simplest option to a slightly more advanced upgrade. Start by walking your path from end to end. Decide where the natural turns and edges are, because those are your key placement points. Space your solar lights about 3 to 4 feet apart along both sides of the path, or stagger them if you want a softer, more natural look. Push each stake firmly into the soil until it feels stable and doesn't wobble. Make sure the solar panel on top is facing a direction that gets good sun exposure during the day, ideally not blocked by bushes or overhangs. That's it for this method. No wiring, no plugs, just push, place, and let the sun do the charging. This option takes a bit more effort, but delivers a brighter, more consistent glow every night. Start by laying out your low-voltage cable along the edge of the path, keeping it a few inches back from the walking surface. Bury the cable shallow, just a couple inches deep, using your trowel to cut a small trench. Connect each light fixture to the cable using the included connectors, spacing them evenly just like we did with the solar lights. Once everything is connected, plug the transformer into a nearby outdoor rated outlet. Always use a ground fault protected outlet for outdoor electrical work. Turn it on and check that every fixture lights up properly before covering the cable completely with soil. This one is for the creative budget lovers out there. Take your mason jars or any recycled glass jar you have on hand. Drop in a small flameless LED tea light or a battery-powered fairy light strand. You can tie a piece of twine or rope around the neck of the jar for a rustic hanging look, or simply place them directly on the ground along the path edge. For a magical effect, alternate jar lanterns with your solar stake lights, so you get variation in height and glow. Don't just light the path itself. Use 1 or 2 accent lights to highlight a tree, a garden statue, or a beautiful plant near the walkway. This adds depth and makes the space feel layered instead of flat. Position the light at the base of the feature, angled slightly upward, to create that dramatic upward glow effect you see in professional landscaping. Once everything is placed, walk the entire path again during daylight. Check your spacing. Are your lights even? Are there any dark gaps that feel too long? Adjust as needed now, because it's much easier to fix spacing in daylight than fumbling around in the dark later. Now here comes the moment we've been building toward. It's time for the night reveal. Remember that dark, unsafe pathway from the start of this video? Watch what happens now. The path is glowing with soft, even light from end to end. Every step is clearly visible. The garden edges are outlined beautifully. The mason jar lanterns are casting that warm, golden flicker, and that accent light on the tree in the corner, it's creating a soft, upward glow that makes the whole yard feel like a private resort. This is not a professional $5,000 installation. This is a project most people can finish in a single afternoon, for a fraction of that cost. Friends and neighbors, when they see this at night, they are going to assume you hired someone. And you get to tell them the truth, that you did this yourself with a simple pathway lighting hack. Before we wrap up, let's talk safety and long-term care, because a beautiful lighting setup only stays beautiful if you maintain it properly. Always use outdoor-rated, weatherproof lighting products, never indoor lights outside. If you're working with low-voltage wiring, keep connections dry, and use waterproof connectors specifically designed for outdoor use. Never run standard household extension cords permanently outdoors as a substitute for proper outdoor rated cable. Check your solar panels every few weeks and wipe off dust, dirt, or leaves, so they charge efficiently. Replace batteries in solar lights roughly once or twice a year for consistent brightness. Trim back any plants or grass that start to shade your solar panels or block your light fixtures. In colder climates, remove glass jar lanterns before hard freezes to prevent cracking. And always keep pathways clear of tripping hazards, even with lighting installed. Because lighting helps, but it doesn't replace basic yard maintenance. Follow these tips, and your pathway lighting will look incredible for years to come, not just for one season. So there you have it. A simple, budget-friendly pathway lighting hack that completely transforms your yard at night. We went from a dark, unsafe walkway to a warm, glowing, magazine-worthy outdoor space, using nothing but affordable materials and a little bit of effort. Safety improved, curb appeal improved, and now your yard is actually usable after the sun goes down. If this video helped you see your outdoor space differently, do me a favor and hit that like button right now. Drop a comment below and tell me which lighting idea from this video you're most excited to try. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Because next video, we're tackling another simple hack that's going to completely change the way your home looks, inside and out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.